subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Children's Watch 4 Pro is a smart wearable for children with several functions that will serve educational and safety purposes. Smartwatch features a 5MP front camera on a 1.41-inch AMOLED touchscreen, a comfortable wristband design. It equally features 1GB/8GB of RAM and internal memory respectively. The children's smartwatch comes in two colors, blue and pink, and it weighs just 57.5 grams. Wristband strap is made of silicone and UV reformation, while the 800 mAh battery offers sufficient usage, with fast charging functionality. 50% of the battery power is replenished within 20 minutes of charging. Smartwatch is compatible with LAN, Bluetooth, and mobile networks connectivity. It also offers video calling, has 9 AI positioning, and supports voice assistants. Smartwatch has an inbuilt encyclopedia and is water resistant. Huawei Children's Watch 4 Pro will be available in China from August 30th at a starting price of 998 Chinese yuans, $154. There are no details on the global availability. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.